oftentimes hurled judgmentally. This proverb's true intent isn't critical. It is supposed to be a reminder, a hearkening to wisdom, reminding us to listen, reminding us to walk with humility, reminding us that storms, whether emotional, financial, or spiritual, comes for everyone. In Jamaica, when someone says, "Young bud no know a storm," it's a reminder that people who haven't lived long, who haven't amassed as much life experience, they haven't faced certain hardships. They may not fully understand the depth of struggle and what it takes to overcome it. But you see, experience is a teacher that does not whisper. It shakes you, it shapes you, and it humbles you. Just like a storm leaves an indelible mark on any terrain it encounters. It's supposed to be an invitation, a positive challenge, even when wryly stated, to grow, to listen, to respect the journey of others, and to prepare your wings for the winds that will eventually come.